Ew, gross. I'm Mac, and I'm here with Hobby Tiger and Hobby Spider. Today, we got this super cool, super slimy TMNT Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle trash can. And guess what? Oh, so have you guys ever had surprises this gross?
No.
Hobby kids, do not try to surprise, but it may not be one you want to find. So please don't do this at home. Are you guys ready to get started and have some fun?
Yeah!
Rich Pale Kids blind box that's super gooey.
Ew, super. Here are all the different Garbage Pail Kids that you can collect. Which one do you want, Hobby Tiger?
I want Clark Kent.
That's that guy right there, if you can see him. He's kind of covered in slime. But
Who's he?
he is Bony Tony.
You can see his brain.
Bony Tony, Garbage Pail Kid. He's pretty gross without even being slime. Pretty cool. What will you find, Hobby Spider?
I got the ugliest pet shop.
Ooh, ugliest pet shop. That sounds pretty slimy.
Ugh!
Now open
Spider-Man. Ugh!
Okay, this one's
Pretty
grosser. Well, a little bit. It just has some slime.
This is Poopy Sharpoo. Look at all that slime coming out of his nose.
Ugh.
Gross. And his brain.
Ugh!
I think brains must be part of the theme because now we got brains on the dog and brains with our Garbage Pail Kid.
They're twins.
More goo, more slime. Smelly Shih Tzu. She's part of the stickiest ugly pet shop. Here's all the different ugliest pet shop pets you can collect.
Them off.
Hobby Tiger, you're up for a slimy surprise. You a slimy bag.
It's a Ninja Turtle bag.
Ninja Turtle blind
At
bag.
least it's not gross.
Well, it looks pretty slimy.
Oh, it's slimy.
Yeah.
They just threw a slime ball at me.
You must have pulled this right out of the sewer. It is a Ninja Turtle Mini Mates blind bag. There's a 2-inch figure inside. Who do you want to get?
Leo or Raph?
Cool.
Okay. Opening. Oh, how much did I just get? Just one? Oh, hey, I got Leo. Oh, yeah, I got the winner one in it. It was Leo.
Can you please get the sword off me?
Get the sword off me, I'll be back.
That is a pretty cool Leo.
Isn't the
Leonardo Mini Mate. Pretty cool though, because all his arms and legs move. They move at all the joints, at the knees and the elbows. Comes with his katanas. It's even got a place for holding them in the back. Super cool blind bag. What's next, Hobby Spider?
No. I got
a
this.
Garbage Pail Kids blind box?
I'm like really webbing it.
You're sliming it.
No, I'm webbing it. It's green webs.
Green boogers?
Ugh. I got TV Stevie.
Awesome! He's got a little extra slime on him here because, well, you all know why. But this is a pretty cool Garbage Pail Kid. Just in case you hobby kids don't know, TVs used to be big and square like that. So this is old school TV.
We have a rectangle one.
Yes, but it's nice and flat. Look how big that is.
Yeah.
Good size head for TV Stevie. Awesome! Hobby Tiger, what's next?
Let's see.
Now let's see
Oh,
which
I
one.
got an Ugly's Pet Shop.
Awesome, another Ugliest Pet Shop.
Let's
Sounds
see
nice and
who-
slimy.
Okay,
Let's see who we get now.
This guy here is kind of cute. Kind of looks like Clifford.
Yeah.
Shocker Spaniel.
That one just looks like a regular dog.
Worried Whippet. But he does kind of have an ugly smile. And I'm not quite sure what he's standing in, but he might have had an accident. Maybe that's the gross part. Ew.
How come this is so gooey?
Is that a booger on your lips?
No, it's slime.
Now what will you find, Hobby Spider? You got a Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle collector key ring. It's a blind bag. Who do you want to get?
I want to get probably Leo. Let's see who I get. You got the Foot Clan.
He got the crane.
What?
Ew, gross. Hobby Tiger, slime it up.
Ew, it's alien. It's very appropriate.
Yes, aliens sound nice and slimy. It's a Titans alien vinyl figure blind box.
I either want one of the mystery ones or the face hugger on his face. Because I already got the face hugger and he was epic.
Let's do it. That was a 1 in 20 chance. Getting the A, and you're gonna hatch an alien.
Ew.
Garbage pail game.
Awesome, another Garbage Pail Kid blind box. Who do you want?
I want the exploding head.
Atom Bomb. Let's see if you get him.
Pull it out.
Oh.
Ew, that fits our slimy surprise.
She is Leaky Lindsay. Leaky Lindsay.
She does not need any extra slime. She is pretty slimy all on her own.
I want to see her. She looks. I didn't get to see her. Let me see. Her clothes are all slimy.
Hi, I'm Leaky Lindsay. Does anybody have a tissue?
Ambush!
Ugh, that is not cool. Oh, I think I have enough slime already. Ew, gross. Ooh, thank you for the extra slime. I love it. That's why I never wipe my nose.
Give us a big thumbs up if you like
Slime.
If you like gooey stuff, Ninja Turtles, aliens,
Garbage
aliens,
Pail
and-
Kids.
Parents, subscribe for the world's best shows with learning fun. And don't forget, you can press the little info button in the top right corner to keep the hobby fun going. You don't want to miss another episode, so come on, press that button now.